How to fix Windows Update error code 0x80004005. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you are facing some of the error codes on your Windows Update, here are 3 fixes that you can try on. For the very first one, you need to run the troubleshooter for Windows Update. For that, simply go to the search bar and type in troubleshooter settings. Once you open the troubleshooter settings, make sure to click on other troubleshooters. And then you have to click on or search for Windows Update. Tap on the run button to open the detector and it will detect for any problem that exists and try to solve it. Moving on to the solution number 2, you will have to delete the temporary files that had been downloaded during the Windows Update. For so, you have to open your File Explorer. After that, click on this PC and then on Windows C. After you go to your drive C, select on Windows and then search for the folder Software Distribution. Select all by pressing in Ctrl+A and then delete it. Once you have deleted all the files, now you will notice that the issue should be fixed. Last on the list, we have another solution for which you need to open command prompt and run it as administrator. Once the command prompt is open, type in sfc /scan now and hit the enter button. It will also detect all the corrupted files and solve any issue that persists. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.